How you doing?
Yeah, not bad. Yourself?
Yes, good, good. Muscle fatigue. I've not heard of it before, but I think it's the word on everyone's lips now. How are you? Are you fit?
No, yeah, feeling good. Yeah, it's been a bit of a frustrating time, but yeah, I'm just happy now to be back on camp, be back with the boys, and hopefully can play my part now in the next couple of games.
As captain as well, it's been a long while since you captained your country, certainly in a qualifying match. You're a different person now, you're a lot older. How much are you looking forward to it? What does it mean to you?
Yeah, obviously it means everything for me to play for Wales. I'm so proud to represent my country. It's been, I've been as frustrated as anybody else, with the amount of games that I've missed over the last few years. And yeah, now I'm just happy to be back involved. And like I said earlier, looking forward to these big 2 games, and obviously to captain my country as well, and to lead the boys out is going to be that extra bit special. So I've experienced it before, and yeah, I loved every minute of it. So I'm sure it'll be a very proud moment again for me and my family.
You timed it right, because this is a huge match. Gareth is obviously missing. There's not much room for error, certainly if you want to keep those hopes of finishing second in your own hands.
Yeah, it's a massive game for us, and yeah, one that we're looking forward to. Is second against third, and yeah, all to play for. I know we do have the sort of safety net of the Nations League route, but we want to finish second in this group and cement that place. So I think the boys have done really well so far, and now it's up to us now to try and go there and get a result now on Friday, and hopefully have a successful camp.
You talked about frustrations of missing games for Wales. I imagine frustrations not playing as often as you'd want to with your club. Have you got a point to prove?
I'm always confident in myself, and I've never questioned that. So I know what I can do and what I can bring to a team. So yeah, it's been frustrating for me without going too much into details. But yeah, I'm happy to be here now and be part of this, and hopefully contribute and put in some big performances to help us achieve what we hope to achieve this week.
And lastly, we all spoke to Thomas in the week. He said he had to pinch himself when he spotted you in the corridor opposite his room. I can imagine that he's brought a breath of fresh air to the squad. He certainly seems enthusiastic.
Yeah, it's a great story. Obviously, now he's at Huddersfield and doing his bit there, but previously to that, without playing in non-league and then coming through, and to have that resilience to come through, and now to have the opportunity to represent your country is a massive journey in a short space of time. So full credit to him. He's been brilliant in training. Been really impressed with the way he settled in and showed his ability. So yeah, I'm sure he has a very bright future ahead of him.
I hope you've been helping him out with the anthem.
Yeah,
Cheers, Chris.
Graham Thomas.
Hi Aaron, Graham Thomas here from Sky.
Hi.
Can you just tell us what you've had to do, Aaron, in the last few weeks and days to get to the point of being fit compared to where you were a while ago? I mean, how touch and go was it that you weren't going to make these games?
Yeah, it was obviously the last week with Juve. Before I met up, had some 3 or 4 good sessions. Yeah, they were alone, but yeah, I got some good work in that week to give me that little base then to come here. So yeah, no, I'm feeling good. Feeling ready to help my country and help my teammates.
Right. I mean, how frustrating has it been in terms of it's not one of those injuries that you can point to and say, this is what's wrong with me, this is how I need to get fit. It's a bit more tenuous than that, isn't it?
Yeah, I think I'm you know, the way that things have gone, obviously, and the way certain things have gone, is not helping the way, you know, not helping me personally. So I know what I can do. I know with the right management, you know, I can stay fit for a long period of time and play a lot of games. Still feeling, you know, good when given the opportunity and managed correctly, sort of thing. But yeah, it's been frustrating that I've picked up these little niggly injuries, which have you know, cost me a lot of games and missing some important games as well for Wales over the last few years. So hopefully, you know, I'm just happy again to be back involved, and like I said a few times already, I'm just hoping to contribute now and help us achieve what we set out to achieve this week.
Yeah, with regard to your fitness, and without wanting to drag you into the kind of club area, your manager just said that he'd like to see you play more, that your fitness would benefit from playing more, and he said he'd like to see you playing in the Premier League again.
Yeah, of course. I would like to see myself playing more and being out there more, but you know, it's been frustrating. I think that, you know, and yeah, I'm just happy now to be back involved in an environment that I'm used to, and hopefully I can show what I'm capable of producing. So yeah. Looking forward to this week, and we'll deal with everything else afterwards.
Diolch Graham. Siôn David?
Hi, Aaron.
Hi.
From Estonia. The Wi-Fi in Prague isn't great, so I'm sorry if my connection isn't very good. Just
Yeah.
in terms of the game on Friday, as players, do you guys sense the enormity of the game, because it could really determine that second place finish and who does finish second?
Yeah, obviously it's a massive game for us. The boys have put themselves in a great position so far, and you know, these are the games that you want to be involved in. So you know, we're up against a tough team with good players, but you know, we're really looking forward to having this tough test and showing that we're more than capable of you know, handling this sort of pressure, and hopefully we can come away with a good result.
You mentioned, you know, it's been a difficult time for you recently, fitness-wise. You're back, but you're also captain as well. You know, you've touched on it already, but that must really mean the world to you that you're back wearing that armband.
Yeah, of course. I've experienced it before in the past, and it's a very you know, a proud moment to go out there and lead your country out. So I'm you know, very excited to do that again, to have that experience, to do that again, and I'm sure it'll be another proud moment for me.
And just on a personal level, we all know how close-knit you guys are as a group. Is it a sense of relief for you to be back in this environment and to be with these players and these people that you're so close with?
Yeah, I'm just happy to be back amongst there and you know, be in an environment that I'm used to. So yeah, it's been difficult. Obviously, the amount of minutes that I've played and things like that, it's been difficult. So I'm just happy to be back involved, and like I said, hopefully I can get back out onto that pitch and help my teammates out Friday.
And just last one from me, the fans are also back travelling again. My Twitter feed is full of bucket hats and suitcases and pints of lager. I bet you it's going to be really exciting for you, you know, to have the Wales away and to have the red ball there on Friday. Yeah,
that's going to be massive. You know, throughout the Euros, it was very difficult for you know, for our fans to get out there and to get to places, even though a few of them did manage to. But you know, to have that red ball back there now and to play in front of them again, it's going to be a special atmosphere. So hopefully we'll give them something to celebrate on Friday.
Diolch, Aaron.
Diolch.
Diolch Aaron. Last couple from Tom Colmossi.
Hi Aaron.
Hi.
You mentioned a couple of times there that you feel you can play lots of games in a row if you're managed correctly, if the management's right. What does the right management of Aaron Ramsey look like then to ensure you can do that?
I think the training philosophy and methods are different in my club than they are here. Obviously, there's a lot of people here who have, you know, a number of years of managing me, so they know how to get the best sort of out of me, and to be able to, you know, play a lot of games in a row, like I showed in the Euros this year. I'm capable of doing that, and capable of, you know, producing good performances. So you know, I'm feeling good and ready to go.
Is it just training in a certain way then that is specialised to you and what you need?
Yeah, I think because my outputs in games are pretty high, and maybe I need a bit more rest or recovery throughout the week, rather than you know, maybe being on, you know, on the grass for a long period of time and carrying more fatigued into games, sort of thing. So recovery is a big part of that for me. But yeah, I'm just looking forward to be, you know, excited to being back involved, and hopefully I can play my part.